Hey guys, the new this is like I'm actually really excited. This is the new update for Gorilla Tag. The weather is usually cool. Blah blah blah. Rocks. What? Lava. Sick. Sick. Alright, come on. And coal. It looks coal. What do I do with it? Imagine just put it in here. Oh! Accidentally let go of it. What's gonna happen? I wonder. Nothing bad's probably gonna happen. Yeah, nothing bad's gonna happen. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Nothing's bad's gonna happen. I know nothing bad's gonna happen, okay? Nothing bad's gonna happen. See? Nothing's happening. I guess you keep on doing it. See? Nothing's happening. Nothing will happen. Look. What's that? What is that? No. Run, 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 run. Oh, look at the colours. Wait, I swear I look different for a sec. Yeah, I look different. Crap. Oh, crap, I got a picture. I wonder what happens when you fall inside the lava. Oh, good. I'm gonna jump in it. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, let's check the cosmetics. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. The colours are weird. Forest lava, that's sick. Okay, there's lots of cosmetics. Oh my. That's cool. Okay, I can be a ninja. Wrong one. I can be a ninja. Have you all heard that thing where it's like, I wanna be a ninja? I don't know what it was called. Okay, we got no heart. Wait. Why is it all 5 pixels? Cool. A badge. This is cool. Lava at the bottom. On top. Gold hat. I like it. I like it. I look like something from what's it? What the game called? Skylanders, yeah. I know one of those reminds me. So I can touch lava. I look good. It's like the ring, yeah. Yeah, that look good. Okay, we've got some more cosmetics. We've got a weed hat. It looks like something from One Piece, if you know what I mean. Oh. Okay, little lava hat. Cool, cool, cool. Ah, sick. That's cool. Okay, we got bird. Where bird? Okay, jelly. Oh! That's really cool. Lava. Alright, I think this is also, yeah. Sick. Slingshot. Oh wait, let me see what it is. What is it? Is it like hot chilies? I think it's like a chili. Sick, I'm gonna see if there's any change to the maps. Okay guys, there's no change to the maps again, but it's still a really good update. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.